Hey friends, it's Sharon and welcome back to Beauty and Beyond. So today we are going to do a review on a beauty product. It's been a while guys since I did a review on a beauty product. And it's also been a while since I did a sit-down video like this, and I really miss it so much. I don't know, I have been really planning to film some videos for you all, but you know, life gets in the way. So there are a lot of things, situations coming, and I just couldn't make one, and I'm sorry for that. But finally, we are here right now. So like I said, I will be doing a ang init guys, sorry, maingay. If you could hear the electric fan, so sorry because it is so hot. And the one that we are going to review for today is this one from Belo, their Belo Intensive Whitening Kojic Acid Tranexamic Acid. I don't know how to pronounce it. It is so hard. This is their micro peeling toner, and yeah, it is. I don't know if this is new from Belo. The last time that I saw it was last year, I guess. So yeah, I'm so excited to try this one. Before we get into our video, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up, and also make sure that you are subscribed to my channel if you haven't already, and also make sure that you hit the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I upload a video or a new video or a video like this. So with that, everything out of our way, let's get into it. So it's been a while since I have been using the same toner that I like, and one day I saw from the supermarket this one from Belo. It's their Belo Intensive Whitening Kojic Acid plus Tranexamic Acid Micro Peeling Toner, and it is timing lang din kasi I have been looking for a toner that has micro peeling, because the one that I used before was from L'Oreal, yung blue one, yung merong AHA or BHA. I really been looking for an affordable toner and na merong AHA or BHA or something that says micro peeling guys, kasi if you have skin like mine, which is I consider I am already in my 30s, so I need some help in my skin to turn over para supple and tsaka hindi siya dull looking. And one day I just noticed that my skin, while I was using that one, I noticed that my skin looks so dull, and I don't know, it's not translucent, it's not plump, basta yung parang haggard looking yung skin mo. Yun yung notice ko sa skin ko while using that. Or maybe it's because also na that time I was also using a lot of treatments for my forehead acne. If you are new to my channel guys, I have a video by the way on how I treated my forehead acne, because before Christmas, before this December, I have been dealing so much with my forehead acne, and I'm so happy that I found a way how to get rid of that one. So if you are interested, I will have the link on the video on how I got rid of my forehead acne. So maybe that's also one of the reasons why my skin has gotten so dull, because of all that new moisturizer or new toners that I've been applying just to get rid of that. So yeah, one day I realized, oh my god, my skin looks so dull and lifeless and haggard. And when I see myself in the mirror, I feel like, oh my god, why is my skin looking like this? It's so haggard. So I went to I didn't went to the supermarket, but when we went to the supermarket that day, I tried looking for an affordable toner and a micro peeling toner. So I saw this one nga from Belo. So instantly I've tried it. So my initial plan is just to try this for 2 weeks, but I end up using this until now. I started using this one like December or last week of December. I'm really excited to try this one guys, in the hopes that I would you know, remove or lessen the dullness of my face, because I really did not enjoy looking at my skin in the mirror looking so dull and haggard. So I am hopeful. So first things first, let's read what is written here on the bottle of the Belo. So I'm just gonna get my glasses, guys, because I cannot see. So I have my glasses. Let's read. So it says the Belo Intensive Whitening Kojic Acid plus Tranexamic Acid, and it is a micro-peeling toner. It says that it exfoliates with no visible peeling. Wow, really, I really like that one when it says no visible peeling, because I don't like the look of, you know, like the maxi peel. I also tried the maxi peel before, the peeling, and you know, it's not my thing. So it says here dermatologist tested, clinically proven effective. Wow, sana effective siya. So let's read here at the back. It says the power of kojic acid plus tranexamic acid. I hope that I pronounced that correctly. Tranexamic acid in one intensive whitening toner with micropeeling technology that gently clears away dead skin without visible peeling and flaking. Wow, counts up. If that really will happen. I don't want, like I've said, I don't want any flaking and peeling. So it says here, exfoliate skin to allow the whitening actives to penetrate deeper, reduces the appearance of stubborn dark spots. Wow, I like that. Eliminates impurities, dirt, and makeup residue. That's also a good thing, because every day a lot of us use makeup every day, so we really need something that could, you know, remove all those makeups para hindi mag-clog yung pores natin. So it says also, wow, hindi ko alam to. It says paraben-free, non-comedogenic, and hypoallergenic. Wow. Okay, so the last part is the results. The result. Skin that's thoroughly fairer and smoother in just 7 days. Oh my god, in just 7 days. Yun yung claims nila, guys, that this will make your skin thoroughly fairer and smoother in just 7 days. Let's see if that claim is true. If we will get a, you know, clearer and fairer skin in just 7 days. So direction to use: apply to face and neck with cotton. Avoid eye area using morning and evening. Maximum effectiveness with continued use. So those are the claims with this one, guys. I tested it out for 7 days, and I will be inserting a clip on how my skin looks before and then after 7 days. Hey friends, so this is how my face looks like before trying the Belo Intensive Whitening Kojic Acid plus Tranexamic Acid line. I don't know if I pronounce it right. It is Kojic Acid plus Tranexamic Acid line. The orange packaging one. So I'm trying the toner, the soap, their classic soap, and the cream. So this is how our face looks like, guys. My face looks pretty good this morning. I don't know why, maybe because I don't know. So here's the forehead, the sides, the front, and the other side. Sorry for this one, kasi it is almost the time of the month and I have been eating a lot of sweets. Yeah. So here is our face. Hopefully mag-work siya. I don't know yet. So this is our starting point, guys. So I have a new pimple. I don't know where this came from. I don't know if from eating a lot of sweet, but I guess it's the new moisturizer because I also discovered some little whiteheads here. So oh my god, such a booger. Why do I have this? It's so red, and yeah, whenever I try any moisturizer this happens. So yeah, this is our face for the after the 4th day. Good morning, friends. So this is the 6th day that I've been using the Belo toner. So here's my face. Sides. From what I've noticed, I think my face is not that yung mga redness, dot redness here has subsided, and I don't have anything here. Just the redness from old spots, and here's my old spot. It's still pretty there, but it is getting smaller, and I really like this side kasi parang it has look tighter, and my pores, I've noticed that it has gotten tighter or smaller, I don't know, but I feel like it has been looking, my face looks tighter, plumpier. I don't know, it's weird, baby. Yeah, it's just weird, and it looks smoother. And update on my is pretty red, but it's not the only bumpy is this one, but this one is a little flat already. So this is my 6th day update on the Belo toner. You be the judge. Hey friends, good morning. So I will be doing an update on the Belo facial toner. So this is my face today after the 7th day of use. So let's come closer. So I still have my pimple here, but it has flattened. Both of them have flattened, and I know today it looks so weird. Let's do it like that. I don't know if I have noticed any whitening difference because I feel like my face looks the same, but what I notice is that my face looks plumper and tighter. My skin pala, my skin, not my face. So I don't know, but I'm going to do a final check out later on. So this is just the morning after yesterday. Ayan, diba? Anong masasabi niyo? The right side. So see you on my final checkup. So I was really so excited after I did it for 7 days. I've been counting the days like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I cannot wait for 7 days. But after the 3rd day, I already noticed that my skin looks a little, my pores looks a little finer and brighter. I don't know, maybe it's just me, but that's what I've noticed after 3 days. And then on the 7th day, like you've seen on the video, on the clip, that it has I have noticed some difference on my skin. It's not that dull anymore compared to the before of my skin. Personally, I did see some results on my 7 days. That's why I decided that to continue using this one. So up until now, I'm still using that one, actually, honestly. So while using the toner from Belo, this particular one from Belo, I noticed that I did not have any new breakout on my skin. My forehead acne has subsided, and also it has, you know, diminished dramatically. I don't know if you can see right now. I don't have anything. I just, you know, applied lipstick. This is a blush on, but I only have or use my, of course, my trusty Olay Natural White Pinkish Fairness Moisturizer on my face, and I just applied a little Johnson's Baby Powder, guys, because that is my ride or die powder on my face. I know it is so unusual, but I use that one. So I don't know if you can see. Let's lower the ISO, but I don't have any breakouts, not breakouts, scars on my forehead from my forehead acne anymore. And look at my face, guys. Look. I am really impressed because yeah, I don't have any spots, although I have here and here, but these are new ones. Last week lang to lumabas, so I cannot complain on that. And also using this one, I don't have any new breakouts, like, you know, mga unpredictable breakouts. I only get breakouts or acne or pimple whenever I eat a lot of sweets. Yeah, I know. Whenever I eat a lot of ice cream, I drink cola. For sure, may lalabas dito. So, yan. So, other than that, hindi, guys. I don't even have any irritation, and I don't even feel like when the first time or nung nagtagal na ginagamit ko siya, I did not experience any stinging every time I apply this one, and every time I use this one also, it feels so good and refreshing to the skin. I cannot wait each time I use this one, guys. I don't know if this has cons in it because all I could see are the pros, guys, yung mga results talaga that it gives to my skin. So like I've said, it did not give me breakout. It's not stingy to the skin or to the face, especially here, the nose area, and it's very effective. It did made my skin smoother, guys, smoother and fairer and brighter. And as you can see naman, diba? My skin looks so brighter. I haven't posted any pictures on my Facebook or Instagram because that time my skin really looks so dull and eerie. So when I started using one, it changed the appearance or look on my skin, and I am so thankful for this one. I am so happy that I found this one from Belo, guys. So my final thoughts on the Belo Intensive Whitening Kojic Acid Plus Tranexamic Acid is that I highly recommend this one, guys. If you are experiencing dull, lifeless skin, and, you know, not translucent something, you better try this one from Belo. It is very, very affordable. I got this one from Colonnade, and I also got this is very widely available, guys. You can see this all over the Philippines. So on this particular one, I got this for only 79 pesos, and this has, I forgot to mention pala how much is the content. This has a 60 ml content. This is a 60 ml bottle pala, so it's good for the price itself. But if you're going to compare this one with the other toner, this is a little expensive, but 75 pesos for 60 ml, and you will only use a very little amount. This goes a long way. Like, I know it, mga 1 month yata sa akin. Yeah, that long. It reaches a month in order for me to really use. Depende na din sa'yo if how are you going to use this one. But for me, it lasted me almost a month. Yan. So it's very, very affordable, and you cannot beat the price. So that is my review on the Belo Intensive Whitening Toner. If you ask me if I recommend it, I highly 100% recommend it to you guys. This is so friendly to the skin. I don't know, I'm speechless. I have nothing to say than wow on this toner. So that's it for today, friends. I hope that I shared something very informative to you, and I hope that this video was helpful to you. And always remember to be nice, be kind, and keep that smile. Thank you always for supporting me. Make sure you subscribe, guys, to my channel if you haven't already. And thank you once again, and I hope to see you on the next one. Bye!